Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Hyundai Kona. Charging your electric vehicle is straightforward, but understanding the different types of chargers and their capabilities is key. We'll cover everything from the slowest home charging to the fastest public options, ensuring you can power up your Kona efficiently. Let's dive into the specifics of each charging level and what they mean for your daily driving. For everyday convenience, home charging is your best friend. Level 1 charging is the simplest, using a regular 120-volt household outlet. It's slow, adding about 4 to 5 miles of range per hour, perfect for overnight top-ups. Level 2 charging, however, is much faster, utilizing a 240-volt outlet. This can add approximately 25 to 38 miles of range per hour, making it ideal for most home charging needs. When you're on the road and need a quick charge, DC fast charging is the way to go. Your Kona can typically go from 10% to 80% charge in about 41 to 54 minutes at a DC fast charging station. This rapid charging capability is perfect for road trips or when you need to quickly add significant range. Always use your car's navigation or a charging app to find compatible public fast chargers. To ensure your Hyundai Kona's battery lasts as long as possible, adopt some smart charging habits. Try to keep your battery charge between 20% and 80% for daily use, avoiding frequent full charges or deep discharges. Preconditioning your battery in very hot or cold weather can also improve charging efficiency. Additionally, scheduling your charging during off-peak hours can help reduce your electricity costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.